Well, good morning, guys. We're going to go over crypto. And specifically today, we're going to be talking about where's the next crash point for crypto. I think people are wondering this. I'm wondering it too. Exciting things are honestly happening over here. We've been putting money into the market. We're up about, let me refresh this to make sure this is honest and true, about $1,200, I'm going to say. We put $50,000 in the market. We're about actually $1,350 right now. So things are looking good. Here's what I feel in the market, guys. We could be actually heading to the perfect storm for another drop back down in crypto. So as little bits of euphoria and dopamine start entering back into retail traders as they think this is going to keep going up for sure, can I just show you guys some signs today where if you guys are in lower positions, you may want to look to take some profit here soon. I'll give you my target. And those of you guys who are in big losses, like pretty much everybody trading crypto, this may not be a bad time to look to take an exit up here while we're seeing a little bit of a jump and then sell maybe 50% of your holdings and try to invest the other 50% when we drop back down. So I'm going to give this all to you guys in this video. It's going to be really fun. Okay, we're going to go over the metrics over here real quick in order to access these guys. $95 a month is what we charge. You guys are going to get access to all of our scalping trades. We're pretty much going to close DOT. I think we're going to close it by Monday. So that'll be 40% taken out of the market since May 18th. Pretty awesome. You guys take advantage of all that money for yourself, as well as we've gone 124 wins with only one loss, and that is with our scalping strategy. And we have APE, and we also have XRP that's about to be winning trades. So we're going to be calling those out as well. So we are always focused on getting you guys money in your accounts, and that's what we're going to be doing. So just letting you guys know that. And then real quick before we dive in, because we'll be talking about these heavily, our indicators that you will see me talk about today, these two right here. We can also talk about the trend dashboard here. These are going to be going up in price tomorrow. So you guys literally have, depending on when you're watching this video, potentially about 24, maybe a little bit more than 24 hours, and we're going to be taking off the $50 discount. This is the cheapest you guys can get our indicators, so I'd snag them in the description. You guys get all 9 of our indicators for lifetime access. Okay, pretty cool. Let's dive in now. So let me just cut straight to the point, guys. This thing is looking like it could be due for a drop back down. So let me show you some historical data here. We're on the daily time frame, so everybody go to daily. Once you guys have price for swell money flow and trend exhaustion loaded, I want us to simply look at what's happened in the past really quickly. Can we do that? And I want to specifically look at this trend exhaustion in top red sections and well money flow high. This right here is going to show you guys if large transactions are increasing or if they're decreasing. When you see this green line move up, this means money is flowing into the market. When it gets to its top range up here, we've actually been able to time a lot of times when the wells start shifting over and going into selling versus buying. And that's why when you start seeing this green line move down here and price does start moving up here, this is what's called bearish divergence, and that's where you get huge market moves back down and actually put us into the bear market cycle in crypto. An incredible amount of whale money was flowing out of the market, abandoning retail traders to the upside, and that's where we saw big moves down. Okay, so if we take a look at this, trend exhaustion high, we'll just pull the last few points because I don't want to pull back super far because obviously we just talked about this one. So we saw the drop here correlated very nicely. And then we look at this, we see the drop over here. And most recently, we saw trend exhaustion high here and well money flow pushing up, which gave us the drop, almost literally, guys, called it perfectly there. So what are we simply watching for the next drop back down? We're watching for this guy right here to push into the top red section. So anywhere within this top 2 red lines, I'm talking 1 and 2 right here, well money flow heading back up, guys, this is where I think we could actually start seeing a little bit of a move back down and a stall. Okay, let me give you another reason why. This is great, and our indicators are super powerful. Literally, there's no better indicators than this. I've coded indicators for a living for TradingView.com users. I've talked to the COO of TradingView, the CMO of TradingView. We almost opened up a marketplace for indicators. It was awesome. It didn't fully go through, but anyways, that was their decision. Regardless, I kept coding indicators. And so we coded this indicator that has been ridiculous for traders to use. Look at our testimonials. Okay, that tells us that we're getting very close to another point where a drop can happen. Let me show you some more proof here. Last time we ended up seeing a decent drop back down here in crypto, we did go sideways for a while and we entered in what's called channel trading. We had a high here and we pushed up to that high and dropped back down again. The exact same pattern is playing out here again. So let me take you guys down now to the 4-hour time frame and let's take a look at this and let's look at the structure here. What I'm going to compare is this. We've got this channel right over here and we're forming another channel right here. The nice thing about this, guys, is the third touch, the 1, 2, 3 touch is always going to be the most powerful because you can't create a line unless you've got 2 points of data. So now we've got 2 points of data here, which gives us a line. And now this is the most predictable spot. I guarantee you guys, people are going to look for short trades in the market. Okay, they did that over here. They've got, their resistance here, probably looking at this resistance here. They've got 2 points. And then once they came over here, they're looking for shorts and the market moved back down. They had this point here, they had this point, and then they look for the 4th point up here, 1, 2, 3, 4, looking for the shorts back down. Same thing is playing out exactly again here. Okay, it's either going to be we're going to see some shorts in the market, or this is actually going to see shorts and it's going to actually short squeeze people for a move back up. So when I do, and if I do start looking for exits here, I'll explain to you guys exactly what I'm doing with risk management. Most likely what I'll try to do is exit probably 50% of my holdings, just in case we go up, we'll still make money, but that other 50% can be bought at a lower price if we do move down. Okay, so let's go back over here to the metrics real quick and let's go to the charts. I'm specifically looking for Bitcoin to push up into about 80, anything higher than 80%. If we get anywhere up here, guys, I am looking for this metric value to show us a move back down. Last time we hit 80 to, this was actually 92%. This is where we saw the correction back down. This was saying that we have about a 98% chance of a move down, called the actual Bitcoin drop in the bearish market cycle all the way back down. Okay? Pretty stinking powerful. So if you see these blue lines in these very high sections up here, you need to be watching for crypto to move back down. We took all of our best indicators, all of our best data, and programmed it into this metric here, and it updates every single day for you guys at 8 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. This is what you guys really need to be watching. We've got this on all of them. Let me go down to Ethereum real quick before we wrap this video up, and let me show this to you guys of what I'm looking at over there. We got everything's in alphabetical order, so it takes a little bit while to get down here. Okay, Ethereum right now is actually sitting at about 71.72. So let's look in the past year to see when have we seen some decent drops. For this, it's most optimized, and Ethereum is looking like it's getting most of their drops around 80%. So any type of 80% up here, we're looking for the drop back down. We're looking for the overextension and drops back down. Okay, so I want you guys to be aware of that. But mainly for Bitcoin, because Bitcoin's going to control a lot of the market, I'm really looking for that 80% plus in the market. Sorry, let me get back up here. Where we get back up into these levels and see the drop back down. You can access these metrics, guys, whenever you want with our membership, because you can have that, as well as all the trade calls we call out. We're just going to keep calling them out over Telegram. Literally, scalping trades we're calling out. We're calling out all the entries and exits for all of our normal strategy that were 124 wins with only 1 loss. Like, every time you guys get into the Telegram channel, it's just going to be content about what's happening with the market and all of the entries and exits we're calling out for you guys. But I wanted to make sure you saw this because this is a decent run we've been going on. And I think, as I told you, I'd give you a price target. 22,000 is where I do think we're going to see another move back down. Okay? So let me say this one more thing, because this will actually help you guys make some decent money. That structure is correlated fairly close to these structures up here. You're going to see this on the few coins I talk about. Okay, it's this structure right there that we're all looking at. I'm going to go DOT. Shows you guys. DOT is a little bit higher, by the way, but this structure here is in sheep. Let's use sheep for example. Once we get up here, guys, let's just say we hit this right here. Let's do a horizontal line. Actually, let me do it like this. I want to get a percentage range out. This will be just a little bit easier. Once we come up here, let's say you guys exit, I don't know, 50% of your holdings. And then we just come back down to the structure low here. That's 21% that you guys get more favorable positions on than if you were to not sell anything. Does that make sense? So this is why I'm considering this strongly. Crypto goes up. We sell at least 50% of our holdings. We keep 50% because if it goes up, we still make money. Great. But if it goes down anything lower than where we currently have it, we are guaranteed to get a lower entry price. And that's guaranteed to give us more coins than what we held before. And with the strong confirmation that we're looking for a move down here, guys, this is not a bad place to look to take some money out of the market, maybe 50%. I'm not a financial advisor by any means. This is entertainment purposes only. But this level right here is where I'm looking for us to hit, and then maybe be exiting 50%. I'll call this out on Telegram if I do, and then taking that 50% to get back into the market to just simply acquire more coins than we ever had before, because we made money, we're taking some profit, and we're buying it lower. But if it still goes up, we still make money on the other 50%. This is a golden time right now, guys, to be looking at this setup. And I hope you guys enjoy this video and the wisdom I'm sharing behind this, because a lot of you guys need to make money back in your portfolios. And I believe this is my personal opinion, this is a decent way to do this. Okay, it's one of the best ways to do it is wait for the market to go up, look for a drop, and acquire more coins on the drop back down. The drop back down, I would be looking to get back in around 18,500. I would not be waiting to get all the way back down to structure support here. It just may never get there. So, Bitcoin, For example, and I promise we'll end it right here, guys. Right here, looking at probably about a 10% drop is what I'm expecting here. But that's 10% better that you guys can actually get into the market on once you sell coins and buy back in. So pretty exciting in my opinion. So guys, that's my analysis. Have an amazing day, guys. God bless you so much. Literally just like, hope you guys are having a lot of peace in your lives and hope you're enjoying your families. I am as well. It's been fun. And guys, the indicators are in the description. Feel free to snag those. You guys literally just have tomorrow. That's it. I'm going to be upping the price tomorrow at 5 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. So snag the indicators. We use these in all of our trades. It's definitely going to be beneficial for you guys. Testimonials. These are ones that we've got in the bear market. We literally had a guy take $150 and turn it into $3,000. It's pretty insane. Like, that's pretty awesome. He's like, it was a hard challenge, but the indicators made it. He was using leverage, so all of you guys know this. If you guys are comfortable with using leverage, you know how to use it. It's a tool, not an enemy. Okay, this guy does a quick $200 here. These are guys that have done this in the bear market. $485, $661 this morning. Guy over here, this guy does $23,000 just with our trend exhaustion and price as well money flow in a single week. It was ridiculous. We've got other guys down here doing pretty well. $1,376 profit overnight. Okay, pretty crazy. And he's using our indicators. $43,000 profit on, this is actually Cardano, trend exhaustion, price for swell, money flow. These are the indicators I'm telling you guys, and the testimonials go on and on and on down here. So if you guys want to take a look at these, that's awesome. $2,200 in the last 7 days with Ethereum and Doge. Your indicators are unbelievable and absolutely crucial to time the markets. That is what I'm focusing on today in today's video. Guys, the indicators, snag them. At minimum, come over here and get the trend exhaustion and the price for swell money flow over here. Use coupon code SAVEMONEY on all of these. You guys will get a discount. It's actually cheaper to get the bundle pack right now than get the 3 main indicators we use on our TradingView charts every single day. So definitely be snagging those. And when this gets back up here, watch for this to turn red. That's going to be a huge sign that, watch for this to all turn green. If this does turn green, this is where a lot of retail traders get excited, but that's where we sell because that's where the liquidity is for big institutions. It's when they get retail traders jacked up and then they come in and sell. So, sorry, it's not really that funny, but it's literally how markets work. So I'm letting you guys know that. Another reason why I'm looking to sell. I love you guys. Have a good one. Links are in the description, and I'll see you guys later. Bye, guys.